the next part we're going to build is the top part of the holder. So we take a look at that, and this one's actually pretty straightforward and simple. And if you notice, the top part and the bottom plate are very, very similar to each other. But we're going to go ahead and build them as two separate parts. So you can see right here, this looks like basically a circle that's been extruded, and then it has this circular pattern right here. So I'm going to do a 10 and 3/8 a 10 inch with a 3/8 thickness circle, and then I'm going to put a sketch on the surface and do a circular pattern, and then put the hole through the center. Now I made this hole right here 1/2 inches big to stick through the stuff. This right here is 1/2 for it to fill in. So the problem I have is this is a half and this is a half. They're the same size. I need to go back and change this so it's a smidge smaller so to actually fit into my 1/2 inch hole. And that's actually the first thing I'm going to do because it needs to fit through this hole as well, which is 1/2 inch. So I go back here and I take a look at this extrusion on sketch 4, and I have it as 1/2 inch, and instead of doing 1/2 inch, which is 4/8, I'm going to do 3/8, and that way I know it'll fit into the hole with an 1/8 inch tolerance. Actually, an 1/8 inch tolerance is a little, I'm hitting F7 to slice it. I'm going to do it as, instead of an 3/8, I'm going to do it as 7/16. So that gives me 1/16 inch of a tolerance, which is a little closer to what I want. Alright, because I don't want it wobbly, I just want it to be able to fit through the hole. So now I start my new part and start my 2D sketch. And then going to my shape here, this circle is 10-inch diameter. So to keep my life simple, I'm going to center it on the XY and make it 10 inches. And finish sketch. And then I'm going to do an extrude, and it is 3/8. And there's my circle. I'm now going to start a 2D sketch on this surface. And I'm going to do a construction line that is a circle. That's right here. And this inner circle has a diameter that is 6 inches. 6. Okay. And I didn't mean to finish sketch, so I'm going to go back and reopen it, and I'm going to put a circle right here, and that circle should be 2.5 inch. So dimension 2.5, and I'm going to finish that sketch, and I'm going to do an extrude, cut through all, and hit OK. And then I'm going to do a circular pattern, and okay, so let's try that again. I'm going to do a circular pattern of that feature, and then I'm going to select this axis, and I want to have a total of 5. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to sketch number 2, and I'm going to put a little circle right here, which is 1/2 inch. Finish sketch, make this sketch visible, do an extrude, cut through all. And then I'm going to turn off visibility, and I'm going to get home, and that is a good home view, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm now going to put a little bit of finishing touches on things. I am just going to fillet my edges. The reason I want to do that is it just I'm going to do 1/16 inch fillet. And by doing that, it just kind of gives it a little more polished. So take a look, and it just makes it look a little more polished and finished. So the final thing you do is pick whatever material or color you want it to be, and then you make sure you save as the top plate. Once again, it's important to save it the way you want it to be, showing up on your drawings, the name of the part.